Galleria Puerto Vallarta Shopping Center.
That's right.
And we're currently at the Cinemex, the movie theater located inside the shopping district.
Because my brother and I, we are actors and we love to act. That's why we're here watching the movies to come see some different movies. And this movie is actually in Spanish because we're in Mexico. So we're going to tell you guys how it goes.
Yes, so stay tuned and make sure to follow. We'll see you guys in the next episode. We've got a movie to catch.
Dr. Ross and I are still in the Puerto Vallarta Galleria, and we just finished up a massage at this wonderful massage place.
It was amazing. They're truly, if you're in Puerto Vallarta, if you stop here to visit, or if you just live here and you need like a manicure or pedicure or a massage, they are fantastic. They're top of the line. They're really amazing.
Muy
Super
fantastical.
gentle.
So we're going to move into our first hot topic with Tokyo Tony and Black Chyna. So Tokyo Tony recently came out and said that Black Chyna's threat was not sent towards the judge, but towards Kris Jenner. And Dr. Ross, this is how she's really been winning all of the cases. Because Black Chyna is sending out threats to the Kardashian family.
Basically, she's winning them by, like you said, IK, just threatening them, which that's how she's getting through it by cutting the curves and going out of the box.
Exactly.
But we're not hating the game, we're not hating the players because, you know, the Kardashians are scandalous too, and they know how to go around the box too with Kanye West. So it's just a game of who will win first, and whether it's going to be a right or wrong. So.
No pretendo ser tu dueño, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad de mi vida.